Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Love is kind and just. When you're in love, a smile is always on your face. You feel good about yourself, and because you're happy, you are kind. Love is also just. When you make a mistake, you pay only once for that mistake. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials up 92, NASDAQ up 44, S&P's up 11, gold contract flat, trading at, where is she? $12.68.90. Silver down 9 cents, $16.84. Both gold and silver saved themselves, folks. Bottom line, they want higher price. We're coming into the Fed meeting tomorrow. You get the Fed meeting today. Statement tomorrow, 2 o'clock. Bottom line, looks like they're going to be less aggressive on rates. Why am I saying that? Because you had the metals save themselves out here today at a swing point. You had bonds reject lower price once again, and you had King Dollar just can't hold higher price. Oil market, well, first, copper. Copper was down $0.015, trading at $2.59 a pound. Light sweet crude up 35 cents, $46.43 a barrel. We're going to get the oil numbers. Let's see. This at 4:30 today. 4:30, we'll get the API. We'll get the EIA numbers tomorrow morning at 10:30. Bonds, 10-year note up 1 tick, 126.19. 30-year bond down 2 ticks, 155.07. Now, both notes and bonds, they did it again. They rejected lower price. Bottom line, you get the 10-year trading at 2.20. King Dollar. What do we have with King Dollar? It just can't handle higher price. Down 136 ticks. You're at 96.985. The King Dollar number, folks, goes like this. We've been down for 6 months. 103 was the high. That was January 3rd. We're June 13th. Pretty amazing. Bottom line is this baby's building cause to get down into the 95 area. You break that 95, and we're going to be at 91. 91 is the bottom of the consolidation that we've been in since March of 2015. The euro is trading at 112 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at 110 flat to the U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? So you closed over the high of the 2nd of June, which is 244.35. That is saying, guess what? Coming into this meeting tomorrow morning, we're going to test that high where we sold down from on Friday inside the S&P. We're 244.48. That number is only 50 cents higher. It's 245.01. Dow Industrials closed at a new high out here today. Dow Industrials were up $92. We're at 21,328. Now, different ball game inside the NDX 100 and the NASDAQ Composite. What do you have? The Composite is up $44. You're at 62.20. This got a long way to go. It could basically, no doubt, test the 62.67. What 62.67 is, those are the lows of the 6th and 7th of June. That's where we're at. NDX 100, same type of setup inside the NDX. NDX is up $43. You're at 57.51. Now, I don't see the NDX actually getting up to the 58.45 level. The NDX is weak. And if we bring over the Qs and we take a look at this, you'll see what I'm talking about. So the Qs, this baby came down hard, fast, furious, all of the above. We went from 143 down to 137 in a heartbeat. You did 50 million shares today. The 50 million going into the 109 million Friday and yesterday. Bottom line, if we go over and take a look at a few of these high flyers, you're going to see Apple, bottom line, was up $1. Big deal. Doesn't mean a thing. Google, and these are the ones that brought us down so quick, too. Google was up $8.69. You're trading at $9.70. That's off a high of 1,005. That's a good gain back. You're still $35 off the high. Amazon was up $15 today. That came down off 1,012. That is only 32 bucks off its high right now. You're at 980. Microsoft, you take a look at Microsoft. Microsoft is trading, it was up 87 cents today, 24 million shares. You're at 70.65, and that high is 72.89. Facebook, that'll be the last of the FANG stocks there. What you got with Facebook? Facebook up 220 today. That's down. That's trading 150.68. That's still $5 off its high. You did volume of 20 million versus 35 on the way down. Bottom line, that both in all of those cases, they want to at least test their high volume swing lows. The gold contract. What do we have with gold? Okay, so this is going to get intriguing coming into 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. So 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, folks, the Fed will give a statement. Inside that statement, the market's going to be looking for how aggressive is the Fed going to be with short-term rates. They expect to go up 25 basis points tomorrow. That's 1/4 point. Bottom line, how aggressive are they going to be going forward, and are they going to do anything with their balance sheet? The Fed at the beginning of the year, folks, told the market that what they would like to do is that they would like to go up on short-term rates 3 times this year. This would be the second time. So they definitely have 6 more months they could do another rate hike. You know, bottom line, if that's all they're going to do, that would be non-aggressive. I suspect that's how the market's looking at it, because what you have, we have 6 months left in the whole year. If you're only going to go up one more time, it's like, okay. And let's go over to the, well, first, let's look at gold. So what gold did out here today, you traded to 1260, closed at 1268.90, had volume of 169,000 contracts. This was coming into a monster contract day, was coming into strength. You're talking about coming into 272,000, rejected, lower price. This thing wants to go topside. And the way this is looking to me is that it's not only going to get into the $1,300, which was the swing high from April 17th, I expect we're going to break it. When we went up a week ago Friday, we hit 1298.80, and we hit that with 258,000 contracts. When you push in to swing highs like that with contract volume, your probability is much higher you're going to break it. That being said, that's one side of the trade. The other side of the trade is confirming that today, and what that is that this market, the metal market, it pulled back into its strength. It had lighter volume. It rejected price. So it did both what it should have done, meaning you have a nice sign of strength. You back down with light volume. You reject lower price. You move forward once again. And what is that all about? Just go over to King Dollar. King Dollar, folks, get the peanut butter, get the jelly. Bottom line, down 146 ticks. It wants lower price. It looks like it wants 95 to 94. You stay right there, folks. We'll come right back. Dow Industrials closed up 92. NASDAQ up 44. S&P's up 11.5. We're going to be right back.